Here are the Linux interview questions and answers. These top 20 Linux interview questions along with their answers. What is Linux? Linux is an open source Unix like operating system kernel that serves as the core of many Unix like systems. Explain the file system hierarchy standard FHS in Linux. FHS defines the structure and organization of the files and directories in a Linux system. Key directories include /bin, executables, etc., configuration files, home, user home directories, and var variable data. Differentiate between a soft link and hard link. A hard link points directly to the inode of a file, whilst a soft link symbolic link is a separate file that contains the path to the target file. How do you check the available disk space in Linux? Answer: the df command is used to display disk space usage. For a specific file system, you can use df-h/path. Explain the purpose of the chmod command in Linux. Answer: chmod is used to change the permissions of a file or directory. It can grant or revoke read, write, and execute permissions for the owner, group, and others. What is the purpose of the grep command? Answer: grep is used for searching text patterns in files. It stands for Global Regular Expression Print. How do you find all files modified in the last 10 days? Answer: you can use the find command, for example, find /path mtime-10. Explain the role of the tar command. The tar command is used for compressing and decompressing files and directories and stands for tape archive. How do you kill a process in Linux? The kill command is used to terminate a process. The process ID PID is specified with the command, for example, kill -9 PID to forcefully kill a process. What is the purpose of the etc password file? The etc password file stores user account information including user IDs, group IDs, home directories, and login shells. How do you check the running processes in Linux? The ps command is used to display the information about active processes. What is the role of the journal ctl command? Journal ctl is used to query and display messages from the journal, which stores log data on modern Linux systems. Explain the use of the ifconfig command. Ifconfig is used to configure network interfaces, display their status, and assign IP addresses. How can you change the run level of a Linux system? The init command is used to change the run level. For example, init3 switches to run level 3. What is a shell in Linux? A shell is a command line interpreter that provides an interface for users to interact with the operating system. How do you list all the files in a directory and its subdirectories using a single command line? The find command can be used, for example, find /path-type f. What is the purpose of the etc fstab file? Etc fstab contains information about disk drives and partitions, specifying how they should be mounted during the system boot. Explain the significance of the sudo command. Sudo is used to execute commands with super user privileges. It stands for super user do. How do you check the system's uptime? The uptime command displays how long the system has been running. What is the purpose of the scp command? Scp is used to securely copy files between a local and a remote host over an SSH connection. These questions cover a range of topics from basic commands to system administration tasks and can help assess your knowledge of Linux systems.